Who runs the show at Questrade? Ever wondered who's behind the curtain at the online brokerage you trust with your hard-earned cash? Especially when it comes to a company like Questrade, Canada's leading online investing platform. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the ownership structure of Questrade, exploring the mastermind behind its success, and the guiding hand steering this financial powerhouse. For many new investors, the online brokerage landscape can feel daunting. With a plethora of options promising low fees and access to the market, choosing the right platform is crucial. But before diving headfirst into features and commissions, understanding the company you're trusting with your investments is paramount. So, who exactly is the owner of Questrade? The founder's vision. The story of Questrade's ownership begins with a single individual, Edward Kolodenko. Kolodenko, a visionary entrepreneur with a passion for finance, founded Questrade back in 1999. His vision was to democratize investing, making it accessible and affordable for all Canadians, not just the wealthy elite. Fueled by this vision, Questrade emerged as a pioneer in the online brokerage scene. They challenged the traditional, high-fee structure of the industry, offering competitive commission rates and a user-friendly platform. This resonated with a new generation of investors, propelling Questrade to become Canada's fastest-growing online brokerage by the early 2020s. Beyond the founder, Questrade Financial Group Inc. While Edward Kolodenko's vision laid the foundation, Questrade's ownership structure extends beyond a single individual. The company operates under the umbrella of Questrade Financial Group Incorporated. This parent company acts as the holding entity, overseeing Questrade's core online brokerage services and its subsidiary, Quest Wealth Portfolios, which offers robo-advisor services. Is Questrade publicly traded? An interesting wrinkle in Questrade's ownership story is its lack of presence on the public stock market. Unlike some of its competitors, Questrade remains a private company. This means that shares of Questrade aren't available for public purchase on exchanges like the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX. The benefits of remaining private are numerous. Questrade has the freedom to operate with a long-term focus, prioritizing client needs and innovation over short-term shareholder demands. This allows them to make strategic decisions without the pressure of quarterly earnings reports or immediate stock price fluctuations. The leadership team, steering the ship. Of course, even with a private ownership structure, Questrade isn't a one-man show. Edward Kolodenko serves as the company's president and CEO, guiding the overall direction and strategy. He's surrounded by a talented team of executives, each with extensive experience in finance and technology, ensuring Questrade stays at the forefront of the online brokerage industry. Conclusion: a focus on the future. While Questrade's ownership structure might not be as straightforward as a publicly traded company, understanding the guiding force behind the scenes provides valuable insight. With a founder passionate about financial inclusion and a leadership team dedicated to innovation, Questrade appears well-positioned to continue its growth trajectory. So, there you have it. The mystery of Questrade's ownership is solved. With a clear vision, a dedicated founder, and a strong leadership team, Questrade seems well-equipped to empower Canadians on their investment journeys. Thanks for watching, and until next time.